In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with CapCut's brand new affiliate program. Stick around until the end, because I'll also be sharing 2 completely free strategies to help you promote the CapCut affiliate program effectively, even if you're just getting started. But first, if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's a business model where you earn commissions by promoting products or services. One of the best platforms to discover affiliate networks and niches is Affiliate.8, a great place to start if you're looking to find high-converting affiliate programs. Now, let's talk about CapCut. If you haven't heard of it yet, CapCut is currently one of the most popular video editing apps in the world. It was developed by ByteDance, the same company behind TikTok. What makes CapCut so popular? It's simple. It's free, it's packed with features, and it's extremely easy to use. Even if you're not a professional video editor, you can create amazing videos right from your phone. It's available on iOS, Android, web, and desktop platforms. CapCut has had a referral program for a while where you could earn perks like a free month of the paid version. But now, things have gotten much more exciting. CapCut's new affiliate program, CapCut recently launched a full affiliate program, and this time, you can earn real money. Here's how it works. Earn 20% commission when someone upgrades to a paid plan after downloading CapCut through your link. Earn 35% commission if the user is brand new and has never downloaded CapCut before. Commissions only apply to users from the United States, United Kingdom, Germany, or France, for now. You can be located anywhere in the world, but to earn commissions, your referrals must be from these 4 countries. The cookie window is 30 days, meaning if someone upgrades within 30 days of clicking your link, you get paid. Payouts are made through PayPal. How to join the program? Joining is easy. Just click the link in the pinned comment or video description. You'll be taken to the official CapCut affiliate program page. Click Apply Now. Accept the terms. The program runs through Impact Affiliate Network. If you already have an account there, just sign in. If not, you can register with your email, Apple, Facebook, Google, Twitter, or LinkedIn. Once approved, you'll get your unique affiliate link, and you can start promoting right away. 2 free promotion strategies to boost your affiliate earnings. Strategy number 1. Create CapCut tutorials. Make helpful videos showing how to use CapCut, editing tricks, transitions, effects, etc. In the video description, include your affiliate link. This works great because people watching your tutorial are already interested in CapCut and likely to sign up. Strategy number 2. Do a CapCut review. You can publish a review of CapCut on your blog, YouTube channel, or anywhere you can generate traffic. It doesn't have to be a video. It could even be a written review. Add your affiliate link and you're set. Bonus tip. Even if you're not making a tutorial or review, simply mention that you edited your content using CapCut and drop the link in the description. Something like, "This video was edited using CapCut. Try it yourself here." Affiliate link. Want more affiliate programs? If you're interested in discovering more high-paying affiliate programs, make sure to check out my website, affiliate.com. It's packed with valuable resources to help you grow your affiliate income.